one of the biggest features new to Windows 10 is Cortana. And essentially what that is this box over here. You can see that it has this icon over here, and that is your voice assistant. So similar to Siri or Google Now, Windows 10 also has a voice assistant. Unfortunately, if you have this function turned on that I'm about to say, it might turn on yours as well. But if you don't, you'll be fine. You can turn it on if you want. It's a cool function. So to activate Cortana, you can just say her name in this phrase, "Hey Cortana." And then you can see that menu that shows up right there. It'll disappear after a while, and you can see while those jumbled up letters were showing up, I could still interact and ask for various information that you would ask Siri, such as the weather and other things. So I'll try if I need an umbrella for tomorrow. So let's try that out. "Hey Cortana, what's the weather for tomorrow?"
The forecast for tomorrow shows partly sunny skies with a high of 85 and a low of
And so
75.
you can see that the weather for tomorrow is that's where I'm from. You can see where it's getting the information from. It can tell you to see more and various things. And I can also ask other questions such as, "Hey Cortana, do I need an umbrella for tomorrow?"
It's hard to say for sure, Kweku. Here's the forecast for tomorrow.
So you can see that it answers whether I need an umbrella for tomorrow, and it's a really nice feature that you have. I might have interrupted it before. I don't have my sound on, but I might have interrupted it before when it was talking about the weather in my area. If you live in the same area, then that's the weather forecast for tomorrow. Tomorrow being Tuesday. And then there's various other things that you can do with Cortana, and you can see here there's the home button here. There's another hamburger menu button. Brings up exactly what these icons mean. So there's the notebook, reminders, and feedback. I'm not sure if it'll be there in the final version of Windows 10, so you may or may not see this. I'm running a test build of it. Reminders being, it can tell you, you can set reminders with her, and then you can hit notebook. Notebook, basically what this is, it allows you to see all the information Cortana knows about you, so it can personalize your experience. You can choose what she knows and what she won't know. So you can choose whether she should know things about eat and drink, events, finance, getting around, meetings and reminders, movies and TV, news, packages, sports, travel, and weather. It can also allow it to snoop into other accounts such as your emails and other things, whether you want that or not. You can choose to activate that. That way, if you do have packages or anything coming in, when you first click on her, it'll bring up packages. So you can see here I have to do a recruitment tomorrow, so I can see more information about it. I can open up my calendar application to view more information about that if there's more. You can see the latest news here. This person has just passed away, Anne Rule. Martin retires at 25. Hack after Cosby cover, and NSA destroying records news. You can see top news, you can see local news, you can see just tons of things, and you can choose weather. There's also plenty of buttons for other things that you can do. And of course, I won't go through all of it in depth. This is just a summary video. You can click on those to figure out what each thing is, just to snoop around. Back to the notebooks, you can see various things such as eat and drink. You can see what information she should have, whether you want to add a certain atmosphere that she should dig into or anything like that. If you click that button, you can click reminders, and basically she can set a reminder for you. You can even set a reminder just by talking to her. So let's say if I want to do a reminder, let's say hypothetically, remind me to drink a bottle of water tomorrow at 3 p.m. So let's try that. You can either, to activate Cortana as well, there's two ways. You can simply just click on this microphone icon that's highlighted, or you can just say the voice command. So I'll click on the microphone. Remind me to drink a bottle of water at 3 p.m. tomorrow.
I'll remind you to drink a bottle of water at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Is that right?
Let me let her finish. There you go. So you can see right here, she'll reminder to drink a bottle of water. When? Tomorrow. What time? 3 p.m. Do you want it more than once? Yes, no. And then you can hit remind, and it'll go into your calendar. You can see she's still trying to track what I'm saying because I was supposed to say yes or no. So I'll hit cancel.
Should I remind you?
And just like that, she automatically she can add reminders, she can sing you songs, you can just talk to her like Siri. So yeah, that is the Cortana application for Windows 10.